Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do just a quick mayo treatment. So we're just going to start with some eggs, 2 eggs actually, and some mayo, regular mayo, a teaspoon of vitamin E, some olive oil, some honey, and now we're just going to mix it all together. So now you're going to section your hair in 4 sections, and then you're just going to put the mayo treatment starting from your scalp all the way to your ends, and make sure you get it all over. And you're going to repeat this in all 4 sections. So now that we're done, we're just gonna quickly cover our head with a wrap and just leave it there so the product can really take into my hair, my scalp, and just let it do its thing. Now that we're done, we're just gonna rinse it out, and then from here on out, it's pretty straightforward. So enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video on my protein treatment. I have so many more different type of protein, but this was like honestly my #1 protein I used to do back in the day, and I said redoing it again. It's doing it up for me. So make sure you do your protein treatment every single weekend, guys. Do not miss a weekend. Anyways, so see you in my next video. Bye.